Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the language in Yahoo Finance app and what options are actually available. So let's get started. First, open the Yahoo Finance app and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now tap on the profile icon which is situated at the top of the screen. Within it, you will see app settings. Click on it. Inside the setting, you will see options like notification, face ID, personalization, regions and currencies, helps and privacy and so on. Currently, the Yahoo Finance app does not have a dedicated language change option. The language is fixed within the app and only some regional content may change based on the selected regions. Then tap on the regions and currencies. You may change region and currency, but this does not fully change the app language. It only affects the market data and currency display. Within it, tap the market regions and choose a region. Then come back to the main page. Here you can just check if it is applied or not. As you can see, it is successfully applied. At last, to be clear, you can manually change the language inside the Yahoo Finance app at the moment. This is the limitation of the app, not a mistake. So if this helped clear the confusion, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.